Hey there, I'm Eric with AC Plus. We're here at our old customer Matt's house. We installed this furnace 17 years ago. Today we're taking it out of the attic and we're putting a rooftop package unit on. Okay, so what we did is we removed all the roof tiles, cut 2 holes in the roof. We're gonna place our new roof curb on after we do the ductwork, drop the new plenums down and get everything rehooked up.
Right here, 24, that's gonna end right there. That's too close, not gonna be called.
Because there's a small bathroom right here, we're gonna keep that at 5.
¿Por qué? ¿Qué? That pipe's tight. What is the purpose for it?
You don't want to have to pay for the crane, but